Very good morning, dear students of Standard 4th. Here we come back with the English chapter, lesson number 27. This is lesson number 27 from your textbook, The Dreadful Guest. Hope so you have go through with the video of the lesson. Already the lesson has been explained to you. So this is a question answers notes of the same lesson which you have to note down in your notebook. Right, students? You have to note down in your notebook. See, this is the meanings. First is dreadful, causing fear or suffering. Banquet, a large formal meal for many people. Burst into, enter a place suddenly and noisily. बहुत ज़ोर से अंदर आना जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Dragon, a large wise imaginary animal usually represented with the wings, a long tail and the fire coming out of its mouth. Spikes, a narrow thin shape with a sharp point at one end. Scaly, having thin hard part that cover the skin. Shortforth, came out quickly. Spoilsport, a person who stop other people for enjoying themselves. What is the meaning of spoilsport? कोई person जो खुद भी enjoy नहीं कर पाता, ये कर नहीं सकता या और दूसरों को भी enjoy करने नहीं देता. Killjoy, a person who interferes in other people's fun. Impolite, rude. Platter, large plates used for serving food. Global, to eat food fast. Sprang, move quickly and suddenly toward a particular place. Smoother, to kill someone by covering their face so that they cannot breathe. Fumes, strong, unpleasant and sometimes dangerous gas or smoke. Put up with, to accept bad behavior. Understood? So this is the meanings you have to write down. Now come to question answers. Where did the story take place? The story take place in Russia. The story take place in Russia. Who burst into the banquet hall? A huge and horrible looking dragon burst into the banquet hall. Who was not afraid of dragon? The brave warrior Ivan was not afraid of dragon. Now meanings of the following phrases. ये meaning हमने पहले भी किया है, आपको दिया था मैंने, तो you have to note it down. See, note it down. Impolite, flatter and gobbling ups. Now here is match the following. You have to match the pair A to pair B. Okay. Rich, merchant, important, people, means creature, grand feast. Now come to next question, that is punctuate the following. This is very important in grammar sections. You have to punctuate each and every words. जैसे कि फर्स्ट वन दिया हुआ है, what a rude impolite creature you are. तो you have to start this with a open inverted comma. You can see in the answer. See, this is open inverted comma. First word is written in capital. What a rude. You have to put comma over here. Impolite creature you are. Exclamation mark. This is called exclamation mark. And close inverted comma. Next one, nobody has taught you any manner I can see. Again open inverted comma. Nobody का N जो है that is written in capital letter, has taught you in any manner, comma, I can see, full stop, close inverted comma. This write short note description, you don't have to write. Come to part 2. What did Ivan know about dragon? This question you have to note down in your book. This is both the question. Ivan knew that dragons were dreadful but not intelligent. Okay. In what way did the dragon threaten to kill Ivan? The dragon asked Ivan whether he should burn Ivan to death, comma, smother him with fumes, comma, tear him up with his claws, or eat him up with his spiked teeth. Next question. How did Ivan kill the dragon? The dragon and Ivan were facing each other. Ivan pointed behind the dragon and asked him why he had brought a whole army to fight. The stupid dragon turned his head to see what Ivan was pointing at. Quickly Ivan drew his sword and cut off the dragon's head. Write the meaning of the following phrases as it is. Meaning is already given to you. You can write it from here also. Can you see? Next again is match the following and punctuate the following. Silly, fool, brave warrior, dreadful guest and wicked smile. As it is written here, you have to write in this way only. First you have to write in this way, column A and column B. उसके नीचे आपको आंसर लिखना है. Punctuate the following. Are you ready? So again open inverted comma, you can see here. Are you ready? Question mark, close inverted comma. Now how shall I kill you? Silly fool, again open inverted comma. Now how shall I kill you? Silly fool, question mark. And close inverted comma. You have to write a very short note on Ivan. This you have to write it down. Ivan was a brave warrior. He courageously scolded the dragon from gobbling up the food. Gobbling यानी खा लेना, पूरा बुरी तरीके से वो खाना खा रहा था तो उसको रोक रहा था, ठीक है बोल के. He dared to fight the dragon. He was clever to find a way of tricking the dragon and to killing him. Okay students, so this is your work for today. You have to complete it as soon as the school reopens for you. You have to show all the notes to your class teacher. Clear? And very soon I will provide you the assignment in WhatsApp group only. So go through with the work and complete your books and stay safe.